welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about setting up our coding environment. Now that you have a little bit knowledge about what HTML is all about, then how do we write our code? How do we begin to develop our website? Now I'm going to start with the iPhone users. If you know you are using an iPhone, I'm very rest assured you can't download from Play Store, but rather you are going to download from App Store. So this is the application for our website development that you are going to download. It is named HTML plus CSS plus JS, that is JavaScript Web Designer. So you are going to go ahead. You see that there are many functionality for this application. There are many functionality, so just go ahead and install it on your iPhone, and that will be you follow the instruction to install it. So let us go to Android users. Okay, we are in a Google Play Store for Android users. So you are just going to go to your search bar and type in code editor. This is the name, code editor hyphen compiler and IDE. So for Android users, this is the application you are going to download. And if you also go to this description of the app, you see that there are many features of this for this app. There are many features for this app. Syntax highlighting for over 110 languages, including CSS, JavaScript, Java, HTML, PHP, Python. So guys, I also have a course for Python programming language where you'll be able to create your own desktop application, mobile application, and even website application using Python. So if you are interested, you can check the video highlight, my video highlight for Python programming language, and make sure you subscribe if you are interested. Okay, let us continue with our. If you are using laptop for this training, you are going to visit this website known as visualstudio.com, code.visualstudio.com. So you visit the website because that is the code editor we are going to use, the environment. For example, if you want to create a PDF file, or you want to open a PDF file, there is a program for that. You want to create Microsoft document, you open your Microsoft Word. You want to create a spreadsheet, you open your Microsoft Excel. So the same thing in coding. You want to code your HTML, you want to code your website using HTML, CSS. So which program are you going to use? This is the exact program we are going to use. So this particular one is for those using laptop. So please, you are going to download according to the operating system you are using. So if you are using Windows, then go ahead and click on this big button here. If you are using Ubuntu or the Debian version of operating system, you go ahead and click this, then and follow the instruction to download them. Now if you are using Mac OS, that is the Apple, you can go ahead and click this button and follow the instruction to install it. The installation is very straightforward. So okay guys, these are the applications we are going to be using for this coding class. Now for the Android users, we are going to download from Google Play Store. For iPhone users, you are going to download from App Store, while for laptop or desktop users, you are going to download from code.visualstudio.com. So with all this, let us call it a day here, because I don't want this video to be much longer like yesterday. Okay guys, I am going to be making this video from an Android phone. So I myself, I downloaded Code Editor. So when you are done, irrespective of the devices you are using, as long as you have installed the application I have directed you to install, just go ahead and click on it. So I click on my Code Editor. So for my first time opening, this is what I have. So the first thing you are going to do is to go ahead and click on this three dots here. So once you click on that 3 dots, you go to mark this mini toolbar and word wrap. Make sure you check them. So initially they may be unchecked on your own, but always make sure that you check them. So when you check them, both of them should be on blue like this, and you can see some other functionality there, like the format, the visual style and syntax, and we are going to be looking at them as their need arise. Now that is the first thing you are going to do. Now the second thing you are going to do is to come to this other top left hand side and click on this 3 dash. So click on that, go to settings, and once your setting is open, make sure you follow this my screen and activate all the necessary settings that I have done here. So you see my word wrap is enabled, my file type filter is enabled, resume session is enabled, show suggestion is on, then indentation character, make sure you put it at tab character, auto indent is on, show line numbers is on, show invisible characters, make sure you off it. So show print margin, enable it. Your font should be 12 pixel. Just follow my settings so that we will be on the same side by the time we start our coding class properly. Okay, so this is all what we have to do at this time. So in our next class, we are going to start our coding class properly. Make sure if there is any problem, you send it to the group and I will attend to them. Now the form I will send to the class now, or the one I have already sent, make sure you fill it, because at the end of this training we are going to send your certificate to the email you sent to us.